Hey guys, welcome back, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove remembered Instagram accounts. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's just head on and open up Instagram right here after you have checked that your Instagram is up to date through your App Store or your Play Store. So once you have opened it, just click on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner to get to the profile page if you're still not here. And from here, just click on this 3-bar line icon at the top right corner, and you will see many options from here. So let's just click on settings right here, and under the supervision option, you should see the option that says security, or anywhere from these options, just click on security. And under the login security section, you should be able to see the saved login info option. So just click on that, and I have currently turned it on. So I have saved the login info of this Instagram account that I am using. So saving your login info, the Instagram app will remember the login info for your Instagram account, so you won't need to enter it on your iCloud devices for iPhone users. So if you want to remove this Instagram account and don't want it to be remembered by Instagram, just simply click on this toggle button right here to have it turn gray instead of blue, and this window will pop up. So just a note, you need to enter your username and password the next time you log into this account if you remove the saved login info. So just click on remove if you really want to do that, and that is how you can basically remove remembered Instagram accounts. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.